That's a new home over there. New home right there. There's a vacant lot across the street. There's a little pond or lake across the street. I think it's a pond. Got an extra parking pad over here on this side. Double gate, gutters. Single gate on this side. Little natural area right there. Lots of mature trees on the street. Front porch. This LVP looks pretty quality. It's not the peel and stick type or the thin material. So this is just a half bath here. Got your dining over here. And then your master is going to be on this side. Just an extra linen closet here. Bathrooms are tile. You have a soaking tub and glass enclosed shower. And then you have this walk-in closet. So you have a breakfast nook over here. Here's the countertops. Refrigerator's got some dings on it. Flat cooktop. Really nice oven, looks like. Stainless appliances. Soft close. The linen closet here. Here's your full bath. Air conditioning unit. And another bedroom. Here's your pantry. Nice big pantry. And then you have a nice laundry room, countertop space. And then here's the garage. It's a step down. I don't know, but that right there, oh, let me see here. Okay, yes, it's an electric water heater. I think I have to double check that. This is all of their average bills here. Double French doors. This covered back porch with the fireplace. Paver patio. A really nice pool. Not sure how deep the pool is. There are leaves in the pool, but it's gonna happen here. Let's see. There's your pool pump. With a hose bib there.